Yes, so physical health is that they should be fit enough rather than just making sure that their medical bills are paid, rather than just making sure that they have health insurance. It's better that we work on prevention. Prevention is better than cure. How to make sure that your employees are healthy, that they're not falling sick often, that is more important. Yes, it costs a lot for an organization if they at the end of the year calculate their medical bills cost. That is one part. The other thing is how much of absenteeism was there due to ill health. Yes, people falling sick, having fever, the modern lifestyle diseases such as hypertension, blood pressure, diabetes, all these things are a killer for the society in which we are living. All this is happening because we are not aware that we are playing with the natural rhythms of the body, not waking up proper time because sleeping late, working on projects, or if once or twice you woke up night to finish an important project is another matter. But if it has become a habit that you are sleeping late because of your work and you're getting up late, if that has become a new normal, then your life is going to be struggling. WHO report suggests that waking up in the night after 10 p.m. is carcinogenic. Yes. So I'm not saying for sure that cancer will happen to someone just because you're sleeping late, but it is one of the carcinogenic factors which can affect your health. The body does not respond to these kind of changes so easily. If 6 to 8 hours of sleep is something which is very much important, if you are not giving that to yourself, your immune system will go down, and that will have an impact on your life. Apart from that, our own personal lifestyles. Nowadays, we have so much of devices, gadgets, and applications which keeps us awake more. Past 10, Netflixes and Amazon Prime, a lot of those things people enjoy. They do not suggest that you watch it only in the night. It's your own choice that you make. We should create the rhythms of our work that way. Organizations, through good practices, can plan the days in such a way that makes it easier for employees to take the most productive work out of their own bodies and mind during that period of time. That can help a lot. And then if you are leaving the workplace at the right time, finishing the work at the right time, you have good time for your family, then you will come back as a happier person next day. So these are the factors which can take care of the emotional as well as physical health. Regular yoga, any physical exercise that you love to do, you want to do aerobics, anything that you want to do, please do that regular. Apart from that, it's very important that you take certain smaller, rest during the day. It could be a 10-15 minute break after your lunch. You should do some mindfulness techniques, rekindle that life force energy in you, lift up the energy levels and come back to your work. There's no point in dragging your body throughout the day for work. You should be having good grip over your body, good grip over your mind, and resultantly good grip over your work.